Hey everybody, this is Toy George. Welcome. Today we are unboxing the Lego Duplo set Disney Pixar Cars. And this is the classic race in ages 2 through 5, and there are 29 pieces. Let's start unboxing this. Got everything? All right. Directions for later. That right there is Mater. This is Lightning McQueen. And their wheel sets. All right, let's go to step one here. All right, we're gonna build Mr. Mater here. Let's go ahead and snap this piece right on top of, or actually put Mater right on top of the wheel set. And it should just snap right in. There we go. All right. Step two, we're gonna go ahead and put a little trailer hitch, or not trailer hitch, what is this thing? The toe piece? All right, this right here is Mater's, I don't know, toy, how he tows things right here. Hey, where's my tow hitch? Not a tow hitch, this is a, oh yeah, this is how I tow people, I think. All right, and we snap this little piece on here. All right. Now we're gonna build Lightning McQueen. Same deal, snap on the wheelbase, go ahead and spin, Lightning McQueen. Now we're gonna start. Ages 2 through 5, so I should be okay here. All right, now we have some white blocks, checkered flag. If you get there first, that means you win. I'm gonna win. Actually, it's not the checkerboard. These white pieces here. Then we're gonna go with the baby blue. Actually, no, it's a different color blue. This darker blue here. And this is where the checkerboard, oh shoot, darn it. All right, now we're gonna put the white checkerboard blocks. All right, and then with the kind of a sky blue color here. All right, and then we're gonna put this, you know, I'm doing this all wrong. Sorry, you guys. We're gonna have to take this red piece off like this. I don't know what I was looking at, to be quite honest with you. But we're back. We are in formation once again. All right. Now we are gonna go ahead and put these dark blue pieces on the side. And then there's a baby blue block right here. You can go ahead and put the number 1 sign here. And then we're gonna find, should be a number 2 block. There it is, number 2. And number 3. Actually, not everybody's a winner, only first place. This everything, everybody wins thing doesn't exist. Remember that. All right, now, go ahead and flip this. Now we've got our tools. And if you get first place, you get a trophy. If you get second place, you don't get a trophy. Third place, no trophy, only for first, right here. First place gets a trophy. All right, now we're gonna build the gas station. $4 a gallon, by the way, in California. Where are gas prices where you guys live? Please let us know. I'm interested. All right, so that is the gas station, almost completed. And now we're gonna put in the pump, which snaps on right back here. Then you can just curl it over. All right. And reverse, right back in here. That's where the cup goes. Here's a wrench. In case you need that, snap it on right there if you want. You can put it here, you can put it here, anywhere you want. Okay. So that, we got Lightning McQueen right here. And then we got Mater. Hey, pump me some gas. Is it $4.30 a gallon there in California? How much is that? 30 gallons? That'll be 200 bucks. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe right here in the bottom right corner. Let's go, Lightning McQueen. Get some gas.